Welcome to another episode of Model Car Memories. As you see, I had to clean off quite a bit of the workbench here to fit this one. So 1/16 scale Porsche 924. This is Intex kit. So it says on the side here 1/16 scale, authentic detail inside and out. Real rubber tires, decals included, no painting required. Opening hood, trunk doors, and headlights. I think all the sides are all the same. So this box is very fragile. It's slowly starting to come apart. So as you can see, my stepdad really didn't do anything with this model car kit. So you got the instruction booklet here. Printed in Japan. Let's see here. See if we can see how many pages this is. It doesn't have page numbers, but 34, 35 steps here to put everything together. Oh, it's got plug wires. That. Okay. First little bit here's your, so parts not shown, springs, steel door strips, decals. Okay, so Intex Industries, Compton, California, limited warranty. Warranty for 90 days from the date of purchase. And gives a little brief description on the car. So let's get into the kit, see what's actually here. Alright, so there's part of the wheels, some of the chrome. It's kind of dull on the chrome. Okay, this bag's coming apart. This looks like interior parts, all tan color. Let's set this aside. Okay, there's another chrome tree. Alright, this is more chrome. The other's a little dull. So, got a lot of that. There's another, so the black parts, looks like some of the engine and chassis in there. So, there's your clear parts in orange. That glass, there's some more black. This, I don't know if that's a part or not. Yep, that's a part. The bag's just kind of disintegrating here. Okay, decal sheet. And the engine. Then you got the body. Some rubber hoses, some screws, the shocks, springs. Tires. There's some metal parts here for the chassis, and there's some more wires there. Then you got the engine tub. Whoa, look at that. The plastic's just disintegrating there. So, oh, it does look like there's a little damage here. This the wheel well here for the back, that probably could be glued back into place. It's not that bad of a damage. That's fixable. So let's see, I'll just have to identify the bags that I need to replace here. Let's look at the body real quick again. Make sure I don't see any warping on the body or anything like that. Back in, the decals are coming off the sheet here, and decals look like they're toast. They've just been in the heat way too long. You might get one or two to work on there, but I'd say you probably need a new decal sheet, at least for if you're gonna do some of the Porsche emblems and stuff on it there. You can see the bottom of the box has a big hole in it there. But there you have it. Just a quick box opening for today. Ooh, there's part of the seat there. Looks like some of the interior, I guess, is falling apart there. I don't know where that goes. Must be just real fragile in there. Don't know how some of the stuff got broken, but like I say, this just was in the attic for so long. I'm gonna put that, set this one off to the side here. Well, no, that's got a hole in it. That box has a hole in it too, so I will find a bag, put all this one floating part in. I will have that, so doesn't look like there's any other floating parts around. So, but there you have it. Like I said, I'm kind of winding down on the amount of kits that I have to show to you on this channel. Once I get done doing all the kits, I'll probably start maybe building one or two of them. The ones that my stepdad had that are of cars that he had. So I'll probably start with the heavy Chevy. I haven't pulled that kit out yet, but he did have a 70 Impala that we sold about roughly 2 years ago. It had been sitting for a while, so we really didn't need it. But I'll do that one exactly like his. So, but make sure you hit the subscribe button, like the page, and then I'll show a few up close pictures on the Instagram page, Model Car Memories. Look for it there. Thanks for watching.